welcome to virtual learning classes of SLVM School and a very warm to everyone. This is your Valli addressing from SLVM School Jikpatnagar dealing with the subject English, and in this video we are going to discuss about the section 2 of our lesson, some apples please. Okay, in the last video we discussed that a old woman want to eat apple pie. So firstly she went to an young woman. In exchange of plums she get feathers, and after some time she stopped quarreling a man and woman, and she given the feathers to make pillow to the man and woman, and in exchange of feather she gets some bread. Okay, so in this video we are going to the next part of the lesson, that section 2. Look at the video clearly. Once again she came onto the main road and headed for the market. Again she went to the main road and going on the market. She came to a cottage, and there she saw a mother and her children in front of the cottage door. They looked very sad. On the cottage, a small hut. Cottage means a small hut. On the cottage, she saw a mother and children looking very sad. The mother and children are very low. Then the old woman asked the mother, "What's the matter?" asked the old woman. "Why are you so sad on such a bright and lovely day?" Then the old woman asked the people that, "What's the matter? Why are you looking so sad on a bright and lovely day?" Then the mother replied, "My children have not eaten all day and there is no money for food. My children have not eaten anything all day. From morning onwards, my children have nothing to eat, and we have no money to buy food or make food." Just like that, the mother replied to the old woman, "How can I keep this bread when they are all so hungry?" thought the old woman. The old woman thought that, "I have bread, right? I will give this bread to the people. They will eat something." Then she given that bread to the mother. She took out the 2 fresh loaves and gave them to the market. She taken the 2 fresh bread loaves and given to the mother. Next, "How kind of you! I am sorry that we have nothing to give you in return, but maybe you would like this little puppy. How would be a wonderful companion for you," the mother said. Then mother said, "How kind of you! You are very helpful. I am sorry, we don't have nothing to give to you in return, but we have a little puppy, dog, small puppy. We will give it to you. Puppy makes a nice friendship to you. Take it with you. It's a wonderful gift. Take this puppy to you." Just like that, the mother given a puppy to the old woman. The old woman was not so sure that she wanted the puppy, but she did not want to say no to the mother. Of course, the old woman does not want puppy, but they giving it very pleasantly. So she taken the old puppy and she picked up the puppy, put him into the basket and thanked the mother. Then she started off again. She taken the puppy and taken the puppy very carefully and placed the puppy in the basket, and again she started moving on the road. "What an odd and funny day it has been," thought the old woman as she walked along. "Who knows, I met kids. I might still get some rabbits. What was the day it was? I started for one thing, but I finding and getting lot many things. Did I get apple pie at last? Did I get apples? I have to search for this. Okay, I will move." She think like that and moved. Then as she turned a corner, she saw an apple tree full of ripe red apples in the garden of a cottage very much like her own. So finally she got an apple tree full of red color apples, beautiful apples near a garden of a cottage. She liked the apples very much, and An old man sat outside. An old woman sat outside the cottage. What a beautiful apple tree! Exclaimed the old woman. The old woman was very happy by looking the apple tree, and she said that, what a beautiful apple tree! You can make such a nice apple pie with those apples. Then she's talking with the old man that, wow, what a beautiful apple tree. You can daily make apple pie with those apples. Just like that, the old woman said to the old man who is sitting outside the cottage. Look at the picture, children. Here is an apple tree. The old man is sitting near to the apple tree and the cottage. The woman entered there, and look at the basket. A very cute puppy is on the basket. Yes. Then, replied the old man sadly. Old man didn't give any reply. Of what use is an apple tree or apples to lonely old man like me? Of course, I have many apples, but what can I do? I'm an old man living singly. I don't have anyone with me. So who can make apple pie and who can eat apple pie with me? I'm a lonely one. He's feeling lonely. Then the old woman replied, well, I think I know the answer to that. Would you like this little doggy in return for the basket of apples from the tree? Then the old woman asked that, okay, I know the answer for your loneliness. You want this puppy? Take this puppy. It will help you. It will play with you. It will love you. But while having puppy, shall I get the basket of apples returned to me? And he would be good company, said the old woman, and she let the puppy out of her basket. And it is a good company here. And after saying that, she taken the puppy from the basket and kept down. The puppy ran to the old man and started rolling about his feet. While getting the puppy into the den, the puppy walked and reached to the old man and playing at the feet of old man. The man smiled and picked the puppy in his hand. Very happily, the man smiled and picked the puppy in his arms. And that's how the old woman gets apple for the plums she had taken from her tree. So finally, the old woman gets the apples. She went home, baked a lovely pie and enjoyed it for dinner. While coming from her house, only she have plums. After plums, she get feathers. After feathers, she get bread. After bread, she get puppy. At last, she get apples. And that's how plums can change in exchange of apples. That was the very interesting story. And finally, she went to the home and made a lovely apple pie and enjoyed it for dinner. Okay, children, thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts, please contact me through WhatsApp. Thank you, everyone.